Guys, we're looking at the ground again. That's this video. Just kidding, we're playing Minecraft with K-Man.
Hey guys!
And you see this? We just built this. It's a little sanctuary for these pandas.
Yes, pandas, parrots, and not ocelots because they can. Did you just escape? You come back here. You come back here.
Home skillet?
Okay, so guys, go check out my channel, Crazy K-Man.
Yeah.
Make sure to subscribe to White the Hedgehog Studios. And subscribe to my channel. Well, you can. I'm not forcing you. So yeah, I built a jungle habitat thing.
Yeah. Hold up.
Wait a minute.
Wait, what? Okay. So watch this. I have no ammo. No arrows in my inventories.
Yeah, because that's...
Oh, wait. Yeah, I have some. Then I'm a liar.
That's creative.
Oh. I thought you had to have ammo in order to shoot the creative.
No, you don't.
Okay.
Okay. Well, there's... you want to come see the jungle?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it away in my charge shotgun. Have out my hand. See?
Okay, no guns allowed, and I'm making a chest for that, okay? Because that poor vegan lady on TikTok would cry if you bring a gun into here, so yeah.
She's just like...
We have a gun chest. You may put your gun in there.
Yeah, I put my gun in there.
Okay.
See? Put my gun in there.
Okay. You're allowed to get in. Come in.
Okay.
Open the door.
Oh.
Okay, go. Look at all him. Hello, we have a visitor. But you do have to pay $40. It's basically just an emerald.
Oh. I was about to...
$40.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Here's the emerald.
Really?
Payment.
Where's my emerald?
Oh, there you go.
Okay. Yeah, you can just play with the animals and yeah. I need to make a chest for my money.
I'm just gonna feed just one panda because I'm not gonna breed them. I'm gonna wait for this one to lose its heart so I can feed that one. Wait.
Okay. So I got my emerald. Do you like it? Don't
Yes.
breed them.
I know, I just fed one.
Okay.
This one's sitting. They're both sitting and looking at me. Hi. They split up onto Parrot. Flew past them.
And as you see here, if there's parrots surrounding the house, the thing, do not come out, okay?
Okay.
Because they could harm you and they could peck you to death. They could peck you to death. Just saying, okay?
Hey.
So, yeah. If there are parrots surrounding the house, do not worry. It's okay. It's just you might... Oh, dear God.
Hold up, I want to see it.
Sir, come.
I want to see this madness.
I can't, they just came. They
Okay,
definitely
then.
didn't spawn on me with this egg.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, get in the building. I don't know what you're talking about. Just kidding, don't get in there. So, we kind of have a few parrots surrounding the building. Do not worry. Stay calm. Stay calm. Oh my God. Stay calm.
I'm just gliding with an elytra.
Stay calm, okay?
I'm gonna fly with them. I'm gonna glide.
Where did you get an elytra from? Or from here?
I think. Oh yeah, right by the.
Oh yeah, I see it. Stay calm.
Oh, and by the way, Kanan built this rocket over here.
Yeah,
It
I
looks
built
nice.
a freaking rocket that could... Oh my God. What the heck? They're eating someone alive. Don't worry. That person is dead.
Yeah, good thing we didn't get that on video. They're just saying they're eating the ground.
Hi. See, they call me the Birdman for a reason. Wait, can you feed? You can feed birds, I think. Wait a minute, I'm gonna try something out. Oh God. Okay.
I turned over here.
Feed. Calm down. Do not worry. Just a ton of birds surrounding the building. Do not worry.
Now I'm gonna make two people. I'm gonna make two parrots.
Do not.
Baby.
I think that will get demonetized.
I'm gonna breathe.
Do not. Okay.
Why?
Because I said not to. This is my world. I did not know you own this world. I did not know that you built everything. As we see here, we are coming over here, and big fat giant pandas the size of your mom is here. If you did not know, come here. Big fat giant pandas the size of your mom is here. Since your mom weighs 500 pounds, I named this one your mom.
Why is it still on its back? It's been like that for 10 hours.
Maybe it has an itch.
True. Must be a very big one.
Do not worry. I'm doing something real quick, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I will be naming this one your mom. That is your mom. You can tell.
I didn't know this.
It's literally named Mom.
I didn't know this. This panda gave birth to a creeper.
Shut up. Okay, as we see here, we also have another mom. As we see here, come here. Come here. We also have another mom. A cow. The cow is your mom, also. Oh my God, the birds are coming. The birds are attacking. I had a plan for this. Get in the rocket. Get in the rocket now. I had a plan for when this day. Oh my God! Oh, I forgot they're my pets. Oh crap! Get in the rocket. I knew this day would come. Get in the rocket! Get in. Shut the door, Johnny. How do we shut the door? Okay. Not working.
They're just.
Wait, they're gone. They're gone.
Yay!
Oh crap! Go, 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 go.
I'm gonna shut your rocket door real quick.
Oh,
what the crap!
Oh my God! Oh, we have a ton of birds surrounding the building.
I got the perfect name for this video. Attack of the Parrots.
Attack of the bird.
Wait, a whole bunch of them just stayed here.
Well, guess what? They're my pets. Every single one of these birds until it's my pet. Because I want a whole bird trade.
I'm gliding to the ground.
Oh my God! A ton of birds just came crawl.
Oh, there's phantoms here too.
That's perfect. Might as well die as a flying freaking thing attacking you. I'm just feeding a ton of birds because I want them to be my friend. Some of them do not like me. Most of them do. If you see a ton of birds disappear, that means they teleported to me. Wyatt, look on my screen. They're coming.
Hey, have you done that thing to Wyatt?
Huh?
Have you done that trick to Wyatt?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Did you fall for it?
What trick?
The spider web and sand trick you showed me yesterday?
Oh, no.
Oh, never mind.
We're making a video. Go away. I'm also gonna name these your mom. By the way.
So 10 trillion parrots, a panda, and a cow gave birth to a creeper. That's perfect. The next thing you know, 10 trillion parrots, a panda, and a cow make a creeper. That's probably gonna be the next Minecraft update. I'm joking. That's not gonna be an
I
update.
have to kill a ton of your mom.
Okay.
Holy crap! Look, Wyatt, look. They're surrounding me. I need help.
I got an idea.
What? No, do not kill my birds.
I'm not.
I will kill them. It'll be there's gonna be a ton of saying.
It says Bob was slain by Parrot.
I'm killing your mom right now.
Parrot.
A ton of parrots are just watching this and just like, oh, cool.
Yeah,
I did not know you could befriend a parrot.
Mom was.
Okay. Yeah, I gotta kill all these parrots. I only did this because the video, I gotta kill a ton of your mom. It's not making me sad because I wanted to anyway. I just killed your mom. Look at all this guts. So much gut left behind. Nice juicy gut.
I did not know parrot feathers were guts.
Shut up.
Okay then.
I said my booty cheeks were guts. Take some real guts to squeeze them. I want to see some real speed. Parrot was slain. Sometimes in the thing it says mom was slain. I just killed your mom again. Okay, all the parrots are six. Oh, there's one more.
I need to fish you over here.
You are not fishing me. Bye.
Hello there, mother trucker. There's another parrot.
Okay, I'm also gonna kill your mom. Okay. I killed your mom again.
So, I thought I thought a creeper gave birth to a creeper. But it was a whole tribe of parrots, a cow, and a panda.
Yep.
Who yeeted each other off a cliff. I said yeeted off a cliff.
Okay. That's good. Hey, what?
Yeah.
I farted. Hey, Wyatt, come here. This is me when I have Taco Bell in the car, and then I finally roll down the window. This is me when
I'm just looking at all that and it's so green.
Bro, I just farted.
That's funny, dude.
Dude, someone's gonna be dead. Someone's gotta be dead. All this toxic energy.
I'm farting.
Those are what the
I'm farting
Thank you for the
bottles.
XP.
I'm farting bottles
Wyatt,
of
stop,
XP.
stop smithering XP everywhere. Hey guys, do you want to see me sink? That sounded wrong. Do you want to see me sink?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go sink. Ready? I'm slowly sinking. And then you're farting. Ew, dude! Why'd you fart?
That wasn't me. I'm sinking as well.
Oh crap, that was me too.
Ooh, jump boost? Thank you. I went underneath this
Dude,
jump.
why do you keep farting? My god, dude! Dude, stop farting!
Dude, I'm
I'm dying, dude, I'm dying.
You are?
Oh my god, I can't breathe!
I'm going into the sand. Just by holding the jump button. Yeah, so go into the quicksand and hold the jump button and you're just like going in. Oh my god,
dude, stop farting! I'm slowly falling. those forts and see which one can win. Okay?
Okay.
You build yours and I'll build mine. And y'all vote in the comments which one won, okay? I didn't hear okay. Wyatt. Say okay.
Okay. I'm not the people in the comment section.
I know. But it would be cool if you said okay. So that way I can vote. Okay.
Let's see. Ooh.
I just crap my pants, by the way. Where are you at?
Over by a
Best be far away from my building. Nuh-uh. Go away. Go. Wait. I'm taking this plot of land, okay?
Okay.
But, you know what? How about we build this plot of land together? There's a villager outpost. I see one. Okay. So, this is my plot of land. You can get... You can have my plot of land.
Let's see. What am I going to make it out of?
It best be fancy. It needs to be fancy.
Knowing me, that might not happen.
Huh?
Nothing.
Okay. I'm doing good.
Every time I place a block down, I nod. I'm probably going to take the slowest because mobile you can't just like hold down.
That's your excuse, really?
Because on mobile you can't like hold down, because you hold down on the screen and it destroys. You can't just hold down a trigger and it just auto places blocks. So I actually have to work.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's what I do.
But you get it a little easier because you can just hold down a
Not
button.
really.
You can just hold down a button.
I can't just hold down a button. I have to place it down, what? It's not how it goes. My gate is slowly closing.
Cool.
You know what? You should probably just like pause the video.
Yeah. Well, guys, this is my base. Like it? See, it's super cool. It has 2 stories.
Hey,
And
look at
everything.
mine. Come here. This is my base.
Yeah.
I didn't really do it much to it, but like I did something.
Yeah. We're just kidding, guys.
This is not actually our base.
Here's my base, and then here's his base. Okay, so who's...
And we did not spawn this in.
Yes,